Hey everyone, I hope that you have a great week, and in this video we are going to review an IPO. So I'm going to do an IPO review of an initial public offering that is available for pre-order right now. I think it became available on Friday for pre-order if I'm correct. And on Friday we had another one that went public and did very well, and I had done an IPO review on that, and I did say in that video that I reviewed it before it went public that it would spike and so on, and it did. Usually when you have those $4 IPOs that are predicted to spike, let's say, or I think personally that are going to spike, what I do is day one, pop one, sell, and I'm happy with that. And that ticker symbol MGOL that went public did exactly that, just that. It went on a spike, I think up to 11, 13 bucks, I think most, and then it started the downward trend. So perfect. All right, so let's do an IPO review of this one. And let's see what will happen with this one. I'm going to give you full details about who the company is, who founded the company, who invested in the company, financials, everything you need to know. And at the end, I'll give you the valuation score and my opinion on what it would do on the day that it would go public.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
So we're going to talk about QuantaSing Group Limited, and it has filed for a US IPO. And it is going public on January 20th, 2023. And it is available, like I said, for pre-order already right now. You can pre-order right now if you want to. The firm operates an online education platform for adults in China. It was founded to develop a range of online courses geared to adults in China seeking to continue their personal development. Management is headed by founder and chairman CEO Peng Li, who has been with the company since the beginning and was previously the founder and CEO of Beijing Renjunen Network Technology Company. The company offers financial literacy, other personal interest topics, enterprise customer offerings, and it has received nearly $95 million in investments from Everpark Holding, K2 entities, DCM, GGV, PAC entities, Quiming Ventures, and VM Edu Fund 1. So a lot of investors, nearly $100 million in investments in this company, right? It's a big company. This is actually a really big company in China. It's like, it's legit. It exists. It's got huge revenues. The total revenue in 2021 was $251.4 million. And then in 2022 jumped 60.4% to $400 million just in 2022, right? That's a huge revenue growth right there. Now, as far as the gross profit loss, it went from 225 million to 345 million. Gross margin is very healthy at 88% average. The operating profit loss went from 47.2 million to 33 million dollars. Comprehensive income loss went from 45 to 32. Cash flow from operations went from 11 to 38 million dollars. Now they have $63.2 million in cash, $115 million in total liabilities, and their free cash flow is positive $30.5 million. The Underwriters, this is new for 2023. So the Underwriters are Citigroup, CICC, and Tiger Brokers, right? I wouldn't say that this is the IPOs that we are looking for, right? In a way, as far as Underwriters is concerned, it's not the IPO we're looking for. I'll explain what I mean. The pre-order is available, like I said, and it's from $11.50 to $13.50. You're probably going to get around $12.50, let's say, per share. Valuation score neutral, but here is what I mean by that. The company is actually looking good. I think, personally speaking, for me, the company is looking good financially. They're not superb. They're not horrible. I think they're looking good financially. They have pretty much some solid, let's say, backing as far as investors in this. The Underwriters are not, your Network One Financial, your Boston, or Univest, because if it was them and it was $4, we'd be thinking this is it. This is perfect. It's gonna pop on day one. Now we have Citigroup and Tiger Brokers. This is a tricky IPO. Because you're dealing with a pretty good, I think, company. It is $11 to $13.50, so that's pretty expensive, kind of. Although many Chinese companies are always on a discount, so so overall, would this be a pre-order for me, right? As far as day one spike, look, if it was Univest, if it was Network One Financial, if it was Boston Securities, and if it was $4 a share, $4 to $5 a share, I would have gotten in for pre-order. But to bet now and take that risk on and a gamble on just the pop on day one, I'm not interested on this one. But to say that this is a good company that might actually do very well as far as a stock and fundamentally, or the share price, and for a longer term than just day one pop, I think this might be it. The only thing that worries me though is that this is a Chinese company dealing in the education sector, where the Chinese government has already cracked down on that sector in the past, causing other stocks related to online education to fall dramatically. And the thing with the Chinese stocks, they're always at the control and will of the Chinese government. Whenever they feel like doing something with the regulators, they can really screw up a lot of Chinese stocks. So it's overall, I kind of would like to get a few shares in this and let it go, because I feel like this stock is actually going to climb. So that's it overall. It might actually turn out to be that over time this stock will grow. Please don't look at the valuation score as an advice, because it's just for entertainment purposes. Don't trade according to my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below. Please let me know in the comment section below what you will do with this. Will you pre-order this or not? I'd be very interested to know your ideas also. Take care, everyone.